Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make this called Mujair Nyat Nyat. This is tilapia fish cooked in traditional Balinese spice. Tilapia, or we call it mujair, is one of our freshwater fishes. Later the dish will taste slightly spicy, fresh and so yummy. As always, best to serve with rice. So, for the ingredient I'm going to use later, 2 pieces of tilapia fish, 7 shallot, 9 garlic, 5 Bali hot pepper, 2 grams of ginger, 3 grams of turmeric, 2 grams of lesser galangal, 4 grams of galangal, 2 salam leaf, 1 lime fruit, 2 lemongrass, 400 ml of chicken stock, black peppercorn, white peppercorn, candle nut, nutmeg, coriander seed, vegetable oil, shrimp paste, salt, palm sugar, and also here I have 500 ml of vegetable oil to deep fry the fish later. So let's start. First, I'm going to marinate the fish first. I will start with cut the lime. Just remove the seed. So now let's cut the fish. I clean inside already. It's important that you do it very clean so nothing is inside here. So just slice it like this on the top and the other side. Squeeze the lime juice. Pinch of salt and white peppercorn. Make sure all the fish is covered with the salt, pepper, and lime juice. So let's put it aside. So now let's prepare the paste. Starting to cut the shallot. I'm using 3 Bali hot pepper first, and I will use another 2 later, and also 1 lemongrass. I don't use this because it's quite hard. Let's add to the food processor. So now let's grind this spice. So I'm start with adding 1 teaspoon of coriander seed and a 1/4 teaspoon of white peppercorn, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorn, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So, around this. 2 candle nut. Let's grind. Let's add into food processor. And now I'm going to mix the palm sugar, salt, and shrimp paste. So 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of palm sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of shrimp paste. Mix it before add to the food processor. I'm using my finger. If you want to use spoon, it's absolutely fine. And next we add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Blend roughly.
give a little stir.
So this is the consistency we need. Let's put it aside. So let's put it aside here. Next, I'm going to deep fry the fish. So I put it high heat to start with. When the oil gets hot, I will turn down the heat into medium and add the fish. So the oil is ready now. I just turn down the heat a little bit to medium. And let's add the fish. We cook it until both sides of the fish are golden brown. Let's turn it over. So now it's cooked. So just put it aside first. So now let's cook the paste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil first. Medium heat. The oil is warm enough. Let's add the paste. I'm going to brush the lemongrass first. Add the lemongrass and salam leaf. Give a stir. Cook the paste halfway cooked. So now let's add the chicken stock. And chilies. As soon as reaching the boiling point, I will add the fish. So let's add the fish. We cook it until 2/3 of liquid evaporated. Let's turn it over. So now it's ready. Let's turn off the cooker. So let's plate it. Here I have cucumber, tomato, and lemon basil to accompany the Mujair Nyat Nyat. I will start to put the mujair on the plate. Smells so good. Now let's slice the cucumber and tomato. Some lemon basil, and lime fruit. Here we are, Mujair Nyat Nyat. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next recipe. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.